Hello, I'm Dr. Lei with Texas Medical and Wellness Clinic with your Wellness Wednesday tip. What is bioidentical hormone therapy? Many women experience significant changes in their health before, during, and after menopause. Studies suggest that synthetic hormones not only increase potential harmful side effects, but many women abandon traditional hormone replacement therapy quicker than natural treatments. Compounding is preparing medicines tailored to each patient's needs and offers them their choice of hormones, strength, and dosage. Consultation and testing will personalize the safest and most appropriate bioidentical hormone replacement program for the individual. For more information, call Texas Medical and Wellness Clinic or online at www.drnhi.com.